Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making fried rice, egg fried rice. And so we have 5 cups of rice, and then we have a bag of mixed vegetables. We have our olive oil, we have 1 onion, we have ginger, pepper, and garlic, and then we have salt, and then we have oyster sauce. Okay, and that's what we're going to be using for our egg fried rice. It's a bag, 1 pound of mixed veggies, and spices right there, and 5 cups of rice. And so I'm going to cook the rice. So this is my rice. I washed it up. So wash up your rice about 2 times and dump the water all out, and to get some of that starch out. And then I added 5 cups of water. So it's 5 cups of rice, and then I added 5 cups of water because I don't want the rice to be too soft. I want it to be a little bit hard. And then I'm gonna add salt to it. I will add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And then I'm gonna let it cook on low heat. So the rice is cooking beautifully. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil, and I'm gonna turn the heat down to very low, and then it's gonna cook beautifully. It's been about 5-6 minutes. I'm checking my rice. It has cooked beautifully, and this is how I wanted it. I wanted it to be not too soft. Yeah, our rice is cooked now. I'm gonna turn the heat off, and then I will start the fried rice. So we're ready to make our fried rice. We have about 1/2 cup of oil. Don't want too much oil. And the first thing that's gonna go in is going to be our onions. So I'm gonna cook our onions. My onions have cooked for about a minute, so I'm gonna add mixed vegetables. Always make sure that you have more vegetables than rice. I don't think I'm gonna use all 5 cups of rice. I'll probably use about 3 cups of rice for this, and save the rest of the rice. I just put my frozen vegetables in after the onions cooked. So I'm gonna have this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll put my spices in. So now I'm going to be adding my spices to it. This is black pepper. I'm gonna add some ginger, about 1 teaspoon each, just gauge with your eyes, and garlic powder. I'm gonna stir them together. I'm also gonna add salt, about 1/2 teaspoon. Because there's salt in our sauce that we're gonna put in, so we don't want to put too much salt. We don't want to overdo it. This time I'm gonna put my oyster sauce in it, and then the rice. The eggs is gonna go in separately. I'm going to use the rest of this oyster sauce. It's left with about half. I'm gonna use all of it. Put it in. Stir it up, and then add my rice. So now we're gonna add the rice. Now it's time to add the rice. I'm gonna put the rice in, and then I will stir it up. At this time you want your heat to be on low because the food is already cooked. So I'm just adding my rice. I will not use all the rice. That's a lot of rice. I'm just gonna use half of it. Alright, so mixing my fried rice with my vegetables. It's coming out very nicely. You want your rice not to be sticking together, so that's why you don't want too much water when you're cooking your rice. I'm gonna stir this, and then we'll cook the eggs separately, and then we'll add the eggs to it. So I have my eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it, just about a quarter teaspoon, and then I'm gonna beat it up, and then we'll fry it. So I flipped it, and I'm gonna flip it one more time because the inside is not done. Yeah, this is how we want our egg to be. So our egg is done beautifully. We're gonna cut it up, and we're gonna add it to our fried rice. So here it is, beautifully made egg fried rice. Very simple to make, so I want you to try it. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. Bon appetit.